Hello, hi, welcome to Ashok Consulting Services YouTube channel. So, friends, in last class, we have discussed about ledger types. Okay, right? We have seen how to define ledger types and all. Okay, how to define ledger types and all. And we have seen what are the types of ledgers we have in S4HANA and how to define leading ledger and non-leading ledger. And also we have came to know that how to define this extension ledger and different types of extension ledger. So this and all we have seen in previous class, right? So I hope that video helpful to understand what is the difference between ECC and S4HANA, and also what is the standard ledgers and extension ledger in S4HANA, how we have to define these two ledgers in SAP S4HANA, and what is the use and importance. So each and everything I have explained so detailedly, and if still having any doubts or any clarifications required, please watch it again and again so that you will be able to understand what is ledger types in SAP S4 HANA, and what is the functionality actually. Okay, so so if you like from that video, and if you'd like to get more videos from my side, please do subscribe this channel. So in this channel, I'm going to cover detailed configuration and of each and every conceptual wise. And also I'm trying to include all the real-time scenarios in these classes. So please don't skip in between. Watch it completely. Okay. So without delay, let's get into today's system, today agenda. Okay. So as part of today class, we are going to discuss. Okay, we are going to discuss. Till now, we have created ledgers, and we have created extension ledgers, and these extension ledgers and leading ledger or non-leading ledgers have been assigned to our company codes. But we have to assign the posting periods. Okay. So, okay, if I scroll down, okay, here you can see some of the posting periods which need to be assigned, which need to be created and assigned to particular company codes. Okay, so here if you see for X1W, and I have three company codes, right? So for three company codes, these are the posting periods which I have to create and assign. And also for this these two also posting video variants only. So this X0 X1 ledgers which we have created here. Okay, so these two are part of non-leading ledgers. So for extension ledger, I'm not going to create any posting period, but still we can able to create. Uh, as of now, we have covered many things here, so I'm not making this more complexity. So I just want to cover up with these details. Okay. So in going forward, and when we discuss about asset accounting and all, we will try to include extension ledgers also. Okay. So without delay, let's get into today class actually. So first will, as per our understanding, first we will try to create this one posting period variant, and we'll assign this posting period variant to ledgers. Okay. First step is that, what is the first step here we have to do? We have to create posting period variant. Okay. So let's log into S4 system. Okay, I have logged in. What is the T code to create a posting period variant? OBBO. OBBO. Enter. So friends, I have already created and assigned, but I forgot to have a session with you. So for that, I'm trying to include those detailing in this session now. Okay, click on position button, and under posting periods. So if you see the Excel our format, right? X10, X11, X12, X13, X14. So here you can see in SAP, those are already I have created, right? X10, X11, X12, X13, X14, right? So these are all I have created. This is the just for a description purpose only. So okay, these posting periods will be used for non-leading assignment purpose. Okay, so tomorrow when we post any transaction on this particular company code, this data will automatically posted on all the this posting periods also. Okay, let's check once we create these posting periods here. This is just a variant only, and these variants have to be maintained in posting periods also. I mean to say open and closing posting period. So for that, the T code is OB52. Okay, slash and OB52. Let us check here. So here we can able to check one by one only. So let us check here. See, I have already created. So here now we are in May month. So as per Jan to December calendar, as per our calendar year. So May month is a fifth month. So I just mentioned it fifth month here as it should be open, and also it should be open till 12. So this is from period 1, we are going to mention which period, from which period to which period. So here we will mention from which period. That means system will open the or allow the postings from May month onwards to December, till December. And also uh, from after December, Jan to March also your posting should be done, right? Should be posted, right? So that's why I mentioned this 13 to 16 following up here. Okay. So if you go back one step back, okay, and then now I have to enter 12. So here also same, friends. So like that, I have to define each and everything. So if you see here I have mentioned 2. Why? Because so if you see my Excel X13 wala, so in Excel X13 I have mentioned here April to March. Okay. So when I say it is posting period starts from April to March, now we are in May month. So April is the first month, May month is second month. So I mentioned here May month is the second month. Then here it is same 12 periods, 13 to 16 is common. Okay. And step back. Don't confuse. Conceptual wise, I try to understand. Okay. Then X40. Here, if you see, I mentioned 8. Why? Because if you see the Excel, here X14 following the October to September. Okay. So October to September, if you follow October to September, what is the April month number? Okay. So if you calculate, October is the first month. Okay. Like that, you have to calculate till April. Okay. October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Okay. So it is April, May. May is 8th month. So we have to mention May is 8th month. And then this one all are common. Okay. Then save. So like this, we have to assign the posting period, open and closing posting periods, create open and closing posting periods. Okay. And then we have to assign these posting periods to the ledgers also. So to assign posting periods directly to the ledger, what is the T code? This is the T code. So FINSC ledger. So if we enter here, okay. So as per Excel, these posting periods should be assigned to these ledgers. Okay. So first we'll try to check whether I have assigned these 3 posting periods to this particular uh, ledger or not. Okay. So if not, we have to assign. So as per our scenario, X0, right? So select X0, double click on company code settings. So if you see here, see, I have already assigned the posting periods X10, X12, X13. These I have assigned already. Okay. Now go back. check for another ledger. What is another ledger? X1. Okay. So here also I have assigned. So like that, we have to assign the all the ledgers. Okay. Let us check one more time. So again, let's look for the our ledger X0. Okay. And then go back again. So look for this. As per Excel, X1, X13 and X14, right? X13 and X14. Okay. And then if you see, so we have assigned these posting periods also. Now we will try to check ledger groups. Okay, so before discussing about ledger group, for next topic is ledger group. Okay, ledger group, I have done some structure here. Okay, these are the ledger groups that we are going to create in SAP S/4HANA, and for this each and every group, this is the combination. Okay, this is the combination. Okay, we have to specify, and representative use ledger is this one. Okay, so first I'll try to explain the conceptual wise, and then we'll try to check in SAP. Okay. So, for example, I have one requirement. So we have already created these many ledgers. Okay, let me copy all these ledgers. Okay, so I have one requirement. So normally when we post any transaction, all the transactions are automatically updated in all the data. In all these ledgers, data will be automatically posted. Okay, so now I have one requirement that I want to post a transaction on only these two ledgers. I don't want data to be updated on these ledgers. I want the data updated only on these two ledgers. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో నేను రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటంటే నాకు అన్నిటికీ పోస్ట్ అవ్వకూడదు, ఓన్లీ ఈ టూకి మాత్రమే పోస్ట్ అవ్వాలి. సో ఇన్ సచ్ కేసెస్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇన్ SAP has provided one solution for this, that is ledger group. Okay, for example, let me bring this here. Okay, for example, ledger group OX. Okay, I am including these two ledgers under this OX. That means while posting transaction, what will happen? We are going to enter this OX ledger group. Okay, OX ledger group. So at that time, what will happen? well, while posting transaction, if we enter a ledger group, then after posting, system will check what are the ledgers are available, what are the ledgers are available under this particular ledger group, and system will be posted on these two ledgers which are available in this particular ledger group. Okay, that's the functionality actually. In the same way, if you bring one more ledger group, if you include these two ledger group, okay, when we post a transaction, if we enter this one next ledger group, this will check what are the ledgers are available. Here we can see OCOE. These two ledgers will be updated automatically. Okay, this is the use of ledger group. Okay, in interview question, friends, they might ask what is the ledger group and what is the functionality, or also they can ask, I wanted to post only one or two ledgers. I don't want to post multiple ledgers. So is there any way? So we can mention that we can post ledger group wise, so that whatever ledgers you wanted to post, that can be posted. Okay, it's the conceptual wise, friends. So now we'll try to create this ledger groups. So for that we have to go SPRO. Not code for this. We have to go by path only. Click on functional accounting, global settings, ledger. See, define ledger group. Click on this. So here first, so ledger group, here only we have to create ledger group first. So if you see our Excel, okay, I have defined some structure, right? So this also I have created already. Conceptual wise, I wanted to cover here. Okay, 0x. Okay, click on position button, 0x. Okay, see, first you have to, what you have to do, once you come to this ledger group creation screen, you have to click on new entries, and you need to give the your codification. Codification means naming convention. Okay, you can enter anything. You can enter anything as per, but before creating, you just create one structure like this. Okay, then only it is possible quickly. Okay, then once you enter like this and you maintain the description also like this ledger group. See, for example, 0x is a ledger group name. I would like to assign these two ledgers under this particular ledger. Okay, so here you can see x0 x1. In Excel also you can see, so x0 x1. So these two ledgers I would like to assign this particular group. So what will happen while posting the transaction, if user enter this particular ledger group, this ledger group is assigned these two ledgers, right? So system will post the data into these ledgers only. This will not update in this all the ledgers. Okay, so if you want to assign, okay, select this ledger group and click on ledger assignment. So once you click on this ledger assignment, we are going to assign this ledger group ledgers here. So x0 x1, well, again we have to click on new entries, and we have to enter x0 and x1, select the representative ledger. So as of now, don't worry about representative ledger. I will discuss in some time detailedly. Okay, what is the use of representative ledger, and what is the importance of it? Okay, and let's go back one step back. And here also, this one also I have created 1x ledger. For this 1x ledger, I am going to include these two ledgers. Okay, click on ledger assignment. See here 0L Excel I have already created. Okay. Okay, for 0x, here there is no leading ledger. Okay, these are only non-leading ledger. So here we can maintain any ledger as representative ledger. Understand, friends? Forget about what is representative ledger. Representative ledger అంటే ఏంటో మీరు ఆలోచించొద్దు. జస్ట్ నేను చెప్పేది మొత్తం అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. మనం ఇక్కడ లీడింగ్ లెడ్జర్ ఏం మెయింటైన్ చేయాల. వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎంటర్, వీ హ్యావ్ ఎంటర్ ఓన్లీ నాన్ లీడింగ్ లెడ్జర్స్. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే ఇక్కడ రెండు లెడ్జర్స్ నాన్ లీడింగ్ లెడ్జర్స్ ఉంటాయో, మరి రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ లెడ్జర్ ఏదైనా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇదైనా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇదైనా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, అలా కాకుండా ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఫర్ దిస్ లెడ్జర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్, ఫర్ దిస్ లెడ్జర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ 0L Yeah, wherever if you, here you are seeing 0L and X1. 0L is belongs to leading ledger. X1 is belongs to non-leading ledger. So in this combination, you can see leading ledger and non-leading ledger by default, or also by standard wise, we have to select leading ledger as a representative ledger. Always leading ledger is a representative ledger. Okay. And then one step go back, and this is 2x. 2x also we have seen that 0L and x0. So 0L is a leading ledger, always leading ledger is a representative ledger, right? So in this way we have to create a group. Okay, what will happen tomorrow while posting a transaction? If we enter this particular group, system will check these two ledgers are available under this particular ledger group, and the system will post it same data on these two ledgers with separate document numbers. Okay, understood, right? Now we'll discuss what is meant by representative ledger. Okay, representative ledger means, I have given some notes here. Representative ledger means, okay, representative ledger are used to check the posting period is open or not. Okay, we have created a posting periods, right? Posting periods, right? So in SAP, I'll show this one. Okay, so here if you enable, for example, this ledger, if you want to put this one as a representative ledger, what will happen? Normally, representative ledger concept is that, so this representative ledger, what is our representative ledger? X0. Okay, this is X, when we activate this as representative ledger, when posting the transaction, system will check whether postings period is opened for this particular ledger or not. How it will check? For this ledger, we have already assigned the posting periods. Okay, we'll check that one also. Let me open that. It is open. So what is our ledger? 0x, right? So 0x is a 0x or x0? X0, sorry. X0. Okay. For this, we have already assigned posting periods, right? See, X10, X11, X12. So we have assigned all these posting periods, right? So system, what it is going to do, it is going to check whether posting periods are open or not. Correct, right? In normal company codes also, we have created posting periods. If posting periods are open, then only system will allow us to post a transaction, right? So we'll check that one also. OB52 as well. What is a T code to check posting periods? Like OB52. Keep remember this T code, friends. It's very, very important. Okay. So I'm entering what is a posting period here? Open X10. Okay. X10. Enter here. See, here I have mentioned 5. That means May month, right? So that means current month. So this one is open. So then if I post any transaction, system will come here and check what is the posting period maintained here, and that one is opened or not, that will check. And if it is open, it will allow us to post the transaction. So, and when it comes to this, when you included two ledgers and when you activate, okay, as a representative ledger, this ledger will be ignored. Okay, that means the system will, if the system, sorry, if this posting period is not open also, system allowed to post the transaction. Okay, that is the concept of representative ledger. Okay, a representative ledger importance is that whatever ledger is activated as a representative ledger, for that ledger posting period we have already assigned, and that posting period is open or not, that is going to be checked by representative ledger. If it is open, whatever ledgers are assigned this particular ledger group, those all ledgers will be updated. Okay. Okay, correct, right? And then, for example, if you want to put this period, if you want to put a control that, no, I don't want to post like that. System has to check this ledger also whether posting periods open or not. If you want to put control in such a way that if the posting period is open for this ledger, then only you want to post the transaction. If you want to put such a control like that, I think you have to go to slash OBY6 is a transaction code. Okay, what is our company cost? X100, right? So you have to double click on this. So here you can see manage posting period. Okay, so once you select this checkbox, what will happen? Even this representative ledger concept will be ignored, and system for this ledger also, system is going to check a posting period is maintained or not. I mean to say posting period is open or not. So system will allow for this when you post the transaction for this ledger group, system will check both the ledgers posting periods are open or not. Okay, then only system allow us to post the transaction. Otherwise, it will not allow us to post the transaction. That is the importance of this particular checkbox. Okay, I'm not selecting this checkbox as of now. I want to check only one ledger. Okay, if you want to put both the ledgers should be controlled only when only ledgers should be controlled, like only postings possible only when ledgers are posting periods are open. In that case, you can select that manage posting period checkbox here. Otherwise, not required. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today, friends. So hope you have understand what is ledger group creation and how we are going to assign these ledger groups, and what is the meaning of representative ledger, and how we are going to use the representative ledger, and what is the importance of representative ledger. And also we have seen what is the post, how we are going to define posting periods variant, and how to define open and closing posting periods for non-leading ledgers, and how we are going to assign this posting period variants to the uh, ledgers. For all our ledgers, we have covered everything. Hope this is clear for all of you people. So if you still having any doubts or any concerns, please feel free to ping me and WhatsApp, or also put your comments. I will check your comments, and I will try to clarify your doubts also. So again, I'm telling it is very, very, very sensitive and important topic. Don't do any mistakes because it impacts the entire SAP. Okay, it impacts all the users. Don't skip this video. Try to watch it completely so that you will be able to understand what is the ledger, what are the ledger types, and what is meant by ledger group, how we are going to create the ledger group. Everything you will be able to understand. And also, if the interviewer asks question, how to post transaction specific ledgers. Okay, if you that is a interview question also, you will be able to answer if you follow this video completely. So if you like this video, uh, please like it. Also put your comments. If you like, you give a thumbs up, and also try to share this video to your well-known persons whoever want to learn this SAP FICO. Okay, so thank you, friends, and thanks for today. That's it for today. Signing off, Ashok Kumar.